Meteorologist Joe Bastardi with your Blink Industries weekly snow update. There's still a lot of weather in the northern plains coming. We do have a snowstorm that's going to be coming out later on in the week from the Wyoming, the Badlands of Wyoming, and the Dakotas over here east northeastward. That's a curious little situation here uh, later in the week because one storm goes up and then an Arctic front comes down and maybe a wave of low pressure on that. And you can see snow trying to enhance over New England here in the coming week. Now, the European ensemble here for week two especially looks very, very interesting in the northeast part of the United States. It's trying to imply something funny going on there. You can see all the snow that it's forecasting up in the northern plains, so we're far from done there. As a matter of fact, we've got some really cold air. It's going to be coming into this pattern later this week. This is what we call the control run of the European. I'm just pointing out that the models are sort of seeing something big in the Northeast, and that's happened before. This is April Fool's Day 1997. Uh, what a crazy storm that was. There's 2 feet of snow on Long Island, 2 feet of snow in northern New Jersey, an inch in New York City because it rained a lot in New York and just was snowing outside of town. April 1982, for instance, and that was a storm that went, there were three in a row that went across the country over here, really blasted the northern plains. So there's evidence, especially in the northern plains and Midwest, this winter is not over. In Northeast, one could argue it never started once you got into New York City and places like that, although there's a big ski season up in northern New England and upstate New York, which is, I guess, if you're into skiing, that was a pretty good thing. But there's still weather to be had over the next few weeks. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.